Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure the second phone number is active and able to receive SMS or calls for verification. Once that's confirmed, choose whether the second account will use WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. Business gives message tools and contact labels. Make sure to back up your primary account now so you can restore if needed. Then install the app for the second account or enable your phone's dual app feature and prepare to verify the new number. This starts the multi-number setup. Now register the second number. Open the second app instance and complete SMS or call verification. Do not overwrite the primary account. After verification, configure profiles distinctly so you can tell numbers apart at a glance. And, if using business, set up labels, automated greetings, and quick replies to save time. Next, link devices with WhatsApp multi-device where available so you can access both accounts on desktop or tablet. Finally, adjust notification tones and privacy settings to avoid cross-account. Finish by practicing switching between accounts. Use separate app icons or the dual app toggle so you open the correct number every time. Make a habit of backing up each account independently to avoid losing chats during moves or device changes. If you plan to use both on one device long-term, manage storage and notification settings to prevent overload. If something goes wrong, like verification failing, request the voice call code. Confirm device time and network, and check the carrier hasn't blocked short codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.